Hey, hello YouTube, I'm Karan from India, and in this video we're gonna talk about the difference between static coding and dynamic coding. So let's start by talking about what static coding is. According to me, static coding has following four features. First of all, it is the main choice of the beginner programmers. You will know in a minute why I'm talking like this. And the second feature of this static coding is the code becomes very rigid, and if you want to change the program's output, it will be very difficult. The third feature is that difficult to change programs output, and the code will become shorter as compared to dynamic code for the same program. You will know all this in a minute. And for the dynamic coding, the choice of it is the choice of advanced programmers. They wanted to do the dynamic code, so they don't have to change the whole code for changing a little bit of their program's output. So it is easy to modify program's output without changing the code. The coding is very flexible, and but the drawback is that it's a bit lengthier than static coding. So let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. So if you know, if you are following my channel on the YouTube or on my website, then you will know that I have created a resistor decoder program. That is my batch project. So if you will know that it is a batch program, it is a dynamic coding program. I have coded it dynamically. So if you will run it, and you will see its app like structure, and I think it's giving me some error here. Let me restart it. I don't know why these white spaces are coming, but let it be for now. So if you see that, if I'll click here and I'll see a list, and I will click here for the white color, and it will change the numbers accordingly. But one of my users have given me a feedback, like if you will click on the gold, and you will see here only three options, and I can only select gold, silver or no color. So I will select silver here, and it will change the output here. But when I will go on YouTube and search the bat team, sorry, and if I'll search the bat team and click on the first link, and you will see that I have a video on resistor decoder version 1.0. I have explained how to use that batch project here, and one of my good friend,
Hey,
Mr.
hello
Deepak
YouTube.
Kumar,
I'm Karan from India.
let me pause it, and he has give a suggestion that, sir, brown color is of tolerance plus minus 1%, and red color has plus minus 2%. So he has given me suggestion to add these values too. So if I have coded statically, like if these values are in the code, so I can, if I have to change these list, then I have to change the whole code again. But for now, I just have to open the files and go into the tolerance.txt file, and as you can see, all the lines after hash are comments, so I can write anything after hash. But without hash, you can see there are three values: gold, silver and red. For according to Mr. Deepak, who has suggested me that brown color has tolerance of plus minus 1%, so I will copy brown, as you can see, Control C, and open the tolerance window and paste it here. Is brown has the tolerance of 1%, so I will write 1 here, and red color has tolerance of 2%, so I will write 2 here. Now just have to close and save the program. So I have changed this tolerance file a bit, and let's see what's the changes in output. So as you can see here, the program is same, I don't know about this error. I'll fix it. I think it's a bug. So now if I will click on the tolerance band, as you can see here, I can see 5 values now with red, brown, red, gold and silver. So if I click on brown, and you can see here I can see the 1% tolerance. So with the dynamic coding, it's very easy to modify a complex program. If you will edit my code, and you will see that if you have to re-edit this whole code, then it will take ages to do so. So it's better to do dynamic coding than static coding. So I think now you have understood that why static coding is the choice of beginners, and why dynamic coding is the choice of advanced programmers. The coding is flexible. So as you have seen the flexibility of the code, I don't have even to change the bad project, but I have to go to simple folder and change the file that it is using. If I will write here anything else, for example green color, and it has tolerance of 20%, 25%, then I just have to change and save it and go back, just run the program again and click on the band that I have changed. I have changed the tolerance band, click on that, and you can see green on top of the list, and if you select green, it will change the value accordingly, so you don't have to change the whole code. So I think you get the point. So code dynamically instead of statically. The code becomes a bit lengthy because you have to define that which file it has to read values from and much more. But once you have know how to code dynamically, it will be very good for you, and your code becomes very flexible and easy to modifiable. Thanks for watching. I think you got the point. If you have any point to add or to contradict my statements, please comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll have fun. Thanks.